For every stage and every phase of your life, this home will work for you.
And so today we're going to show you why 10836 Willow Hill Court is a 5-star Team Hensley listing in 60 seconds or less.
Kids or guests, they're located on the other side of the house. This master suite is set up for privacy.
Guys, there is so much room in this house for activities. You can do them in here, you can do them here, and you can even do all of those activities in this fantastic bonus room above the garage.
Speaking of activities, from this kitchen, you can see them all. This home is conveniently located next to shopping and restaurants, including 2 of my favorite gluten-free choices, Tzatziki's and Mod Pizza.
Wow, I love pizza. And so be sure to check out this 5-star listing and others on teamhensley.com.